Shaniqua has 25% less money than her older sister. That means we're going to remove 25 from 100 to figure out what percent she does have. If Shaniqua has $180, how much money does Jennifer have? Our percent is 75. Shaniqua is the one who has less, and Shaniqua has 180. So Shaniqua's 180 needs to match up with the number that's less. So it's going to go on top because the bottom should be more. Then we will cross multiply and divide to figure out how much Jennifer has. So solve to find out how much Jennifer has.